beauties, welcome back. I have a gorgeous set for you today. So I'm doing a brand new set on this one. So I have done all of my prep work and I have applied my clear base and I've done a little bit of rough filing to get it into shape. And first off, I'm coming in on the pointer finger and I'm using Nude Pink. And on the middle nail, I'm just using some iridescent shards that I have. I have absolutely no idea where these are from, so I'm sorry I can't help you there, but you can find them everywhere. Just try Smiley's glitter store. Sarah has everything. Try that. So just use a small bead of clear and then pick up a few shards and then just gently pop them onto the nail and then just give them a smush around until they are in the place that you want them to be. And before you cap, make sure that they have dried properly so you're not distorting them, you're not moving them out of place. Now in for the ring finger, I'm coming in with the Nude Pink again. And what I'm doing is making, it's kind of like an extended nail bed, but it's not an extended nail bed, it's just really part of the blocking design. She brought in a picture for a bit of influence and ideas, so I kind of went with the same style of design that they had with this one. So I'm just pulling it into the roundabout shape that I want, trying to judge it by the size of the nail, as the inspiration picture was of a set of nails that were extremely long. So basically I'm just building up the walls enough just to be enough there to file into and make it nice and sharp, and enough height on the walls to be able to butt up the next colour around it, which you will see shortly. I'm going to leave them to dry and then I will file it nice and crisp before I apply the next colour beneath. And again on the pinky finger, it is a full coverage of Nude Pink again. Coming in with my 180 grit and giving my cuticle bead on the ring finger a nice file. Make them sides all crispy sharp. And then I am ready to put on the second colour beneath, once I've brushed off all that dust, remember. And the other colour I'm using is a glitter acrylic mix, and it is called Gold Fusion. It is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then once I have finished applying the gold fusion, I'm then going to cap all 10 nails, and when they have fully cured, I will do all my filing, finish filing, shaping and all that jazz, dust off, clean off with isopropyl alcohol, and then in with my rose stamp. It is a stamping plate from Moyu, and it's like a French lace but with roses. Really pretty, really simple but really pretty. And I just use black, and I believe it is Moyu stamping polish I've used as well. Pinky and middle finger. The middle finger because I wanted to have the iridescent glitter shards like just popping through behind. I didn't want to have it as a completely plain nail, but I didn't want to have it with too much coverage so we couldn't see the glitter anymore. So I thought if we just have like a very simple stamp over the top, it'll give you that extra kick. And then I'm just applying my foil glue, good old foil glue, just around one side of the nail. And as the glue dries, it will then go completely transparent when it's ready. So as that's drying, I'm just going to top coat the first layer on the stamped nails. And because I always double top coat when it's stamping or chromes, pigments, any of that stuff, just to make sure that it's fully sealed and it's not going anywhere. And there I am coming in with the holographic foil, and I was just randomly pressing in, so it didn't do a full coverage of the area where I put glue on, it just did like little patches. And then I'm sealing it with my top coat to make sure none of it peels away. And then in to do the crystals on the ring finger. I see a crystal walking away there, look. Whoop, get back up there. Right, so thank you again for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this set. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!